The dark reign of the Memeonomicon has begun.
Celebrate that diversity! Inclusive and loving it. More equality. More! Observe. Memes for everyone! Ah! My susceptible brain. Mind. Altering. Thoughts. Influenced. Society. Breaking down. Immediately cease all good things.
Immediately initiate all bad things.
Ha!
Wow! At last, you guys! Look! Yes! This is who I am. Good luck, sir. Humans are very strange.
Although I heard you rated that cat, are you trying to be edgier than me again?
Not at all. I'm just being true to my character.
Really? Then how's this? I am eating a bowl of kidney and guts.
Made that spaghetti.
Well, even worse. Just look at all these empty carbs.